Hey everyone, welcome back to the Forge. Today I'm going to show you how to take a rusty railroad spike and turn it into a Torc. But first, some words from Beast. So here you see me measuring out 3-inch markers on the anvil. Overall, I measured I would need about 19 inches to go around my neck, and then another 3 on either side for the scrolls. So in the beginning, you're going to want to upset the lip part that hangs off the railroad spike. If you do this carefully, you won't need to forge weld anything. You can just upset the material straight back in and then draw it out. A Torc was a piece of jewelry typically worn around the neck, bicep, or the wrist. It was popular with the Gaelic tribes, and when the Romans encountered them, they decided to adopt it later on. Their versions were usually made out of precious metals to show their status. However, I didn't have a pound of gold sitting around to work with, so I decided to just make a steel one. This project is meant to be more of a fun one, and if you're new to blacksmithing, projects like this are really good for practicing hammer work as well as just getting familiar with your equipment. So here I'm just doing the final measurements before I start the scroll work. There are 2 ways to do the scrolling. You can either hammer the scrolling like you see me doing at the beginning. However, a pair of needle nose pliers will also work if you don't feel comfortable doing that. So here's the finished product. I enjoy making the more historical pieces like this, and I should be doing more of those in the future. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you back in the Forge.